Hello everyone, let's look at today's Leetcode problem 2566 maximum difference by remapping a digit. Before starting this problem, let us look at a motivational quote for today. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying small steps. Confucius. Every big business, it always starts with first customer. So never be afraid to take small steps. Do not fear the size of your mountain. Start with your small steps and trust the process. So, yeah, let us understand the problem statement. You are given an integer num. You know that Bob will sneakily remap one of the 10 possible digits 0 to 9 to another digit. Return the difference between the maximum and minimum values Bob can make by remapping exactly one digit in the nums. When Bob remaps a digit d1 to another digit d2, Bob replaces all occurrence of d1 in num with d2. Bob can remap a digit to itself. All occurrences is something that we in which case num doesn't change. Okay. So Bob can remap different digits for obtaining minimum maximum values respectively. The resulting number after remapping can contain leading zeros. Okay, so all of these can be understood by this example where let's say we replace to find the maximum value we replace 1 to 9 and we get an output of 99891. So we have replaced all the occurrences of 1 to 9 and this last digit also. If we want the minimum value, then we should replace uh, the 9 or 20, the 1 to 0, sorry, which would make 00 1 to 0, so which would make 890, and the difference of these two will be 90099. Right? So this is the final output that we have here. Okay, so we can simply solve this problem. We can check uh, the first digit, which is not equal to 9, and then we can replace this first occurrence of digit. If it is not equal to 9, then that would be our max string, max value, while we can replace the first occurrence of we can replace the first occurrence of a digit which is not equal to 1 to 9. So for example, in our case we should replace this zeroth index digit uh, which is not equal to 0. So we need to check which is the first digit which is not equal to 0. So we are eventually replacing this to 0 and all the other occurrences. So we shall replace all the occurrences also. That is something to keep in mind. We will directly go to our Leetcode editor and try solving this problem. We are using regex here to find the first non 9 digit number to make it as 9, and we would end up with the maximum value. Similarly, for finding a minimum value, we replace with 0. And so this gives us the first non-zero character, so that we can replace it to 0 and we can find the max value. So if we do not have a non-zero character, which means all of them are maxed out, then we simply use the same num, and our min value will be the same expression. Okay, so this should solve our. Okay, regular expression. As you can see, the solution gets submitted. Time and space complexity of the solution is O of 1. We are not having to iterate through the nums or store any values here. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.